Hey Rockstars, Lid Shaw, and I'm here at NAMM 2022 with Anders from Atom Audio. How you doing, Anders?
I'm doing well. Thanks for stopping by, man.
Yeah, great to see you again, dude. So, you guys got a nice, quiet, awesome booth here, and we'll take a look at some of what you're showing off this year. What do you want to show us?
Yeah, so this year, our big push is the new A-series models here. So this right here, we have the A7V, which is the next generation of our A7X, which is one of the most widely loved studio monitors probably of all time. And it's what Atom Audio has really been known for. So what we did with this model was we took it and made it as good as we possibly could, packing it with all sorts of different features. For instance, the tweeters, not only do they have a really high quality waveguide, but they are now all rotatable. So you can take the vertical models, turn them horizontally, turn the horizontal monitors vertically, all of that stuff. New woofer design, it's the multi-layer mineral woofer. Goes deeper, goes louder, all that good stuff. And then I will show really quickly.
Let me ask you something about the tweeter real quick before we move on. So you were saying that this allows you to go vertical and horizontal. So do you sort of reinsert the tweeter? Is it some kind of like cool thing like that?
It's just a basic, I forget what those are called.
Oh, the accelerated ribbon tweeter.
No, not the tweeter itself. The screw types.
Oh, you mean,
screws.
yeah.
You just take that out and then you twist it, and it's super easy to plop back in there. And you can just turn it like this. Yeah. So it's
awesome.
Really customizable. Yeah.
Awesome.
And then
let's take a look at the back.
Cool. Yeah, and the back is really where the features shine. So back here we have a couple different tuning modes. We have the basic 4-band tuning here, so you can tune for just basic adjustments to your desk and positioning in your room. So you have bass, presence, all that good stuff. And then below that, you have a remote control option. So with that, we have 3 different tunings. We have pure, UNR, and EXT. The pure setting is as flat as we can make the monitor. And then the UNR is primarily for production, kind of a little bit more exciting, a little bit more low-end, a little bit more high-end, but still totally usable for mixing. But then you have the EXT here, which allows you to connect it to the A-Control software. So whenever you get the A-Series models, you just register the speakers, download the software, and that allows you to dive into a lot more analytical tuning. There's 6 bands of EQ that you can use back there to tune to your room's issues if you have a certain bump at a certain frequency, what have you. So that's really exciting. But then the biggest thing that you can do with this remote control software is use SonarWorks. So we've collaborated with SonarWorks to basically you shoot your room, you export a tuning directly from SonarWorks, and you can port that directly into the speaker's DSP, allowing you to not have to use the plugin. You don't have to, remember to turn the plugin off when you're exporting, all that good stuff. It just lives on the speakers, so don't have to worry about that anymore, which is going to be huge for us.
Awesome. So that's pretty exciting. So basically, you can set these up in your studio and get them positioned right, but then you kind of have, like you said, the flat. You've got sort of the excited EQ curve, a little bit more exciting sounding, and then you've got custom, so that it really is going to be tuned for your room and sound great.
Exactly. Yeah, it's exactly that. Yeah.
That's awesome.
And the other big thing we have, which is always kind of a big reveal, is mounting capabilities. So Dolby Atmos, immersive setups, all that good stuff is going to be really easy to do, along with the rotatable tweeters. You can twist them, turn them however you need for any sort of Dolby Atmos setup. So it's going to be great.
Okay, awesome. And then I guess it's probably also helpful that you can mount it to your speaker stand so they don't fall off if you put them in an interesting place.
Yeah. You definitely could.
Awesome. Well, so where should the Rockstars go if they want to check out more about these speakers or some of the other great stuff from Atom Audio?
Yeah, so you can just go to atom-audio.com for all of our products and all the information. We have a lot of video content about these, and you can learn all about them there. And
then if somebody's considering this A7V for their studio, what kind of general price point are we looking at?
So here in the States, it's going to be $800 each, so $1,600 a pair. Which is just a little bit more than the A7X was, but I think with all the features packed in, it's totally worth it. So
awesome. Well, very exciting. Rockstars, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video because Anders is awesome and so is Atom Audio. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.
Take care.